How to flip an image in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can flip image in Canva. To flip an image in Canva, you will need to first open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once at the browser, in the search bar, type in canva.com. This is the official URL of Canva. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. And then you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Here you will need to ensure that you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this homepage. Now here you may click on the recent designs that you have already created or create a new design by simply clicking on Create a Design button at the left side on the top. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. From here, you will need to choose one of these designs, or you may also click on Custom Size from the left side. Now you will need to enter the width and height of your canvas. Once after entering the width and height, click on this Create New Design. Now you will be taken to the editing space. Once you reach to this space, now you will need to upload a photo. Simply click on the Uploads option from the left sidebar and then select Photo. Simply click on the photo to add it to your canvas. Now once you have added the photo, in order to flip, you will need to first select the photo and then at the top you will be able to see this editing menu. From here you will be able to locate the flip option. Simply click on this flip button and then you will be presented with this menu. From here you will need to either select flip horizontal or flip vertical based on your preference. Simply click on one of these options and then you will see you have flipped the image. Simply by clicking on the option, the image will flip accordingly. Once you are satisfied with it, you can simply click on the share button at the top right and then click on this download in order to download or save this design. So this is how you can flip an image on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.